Hey guys, Brian from Fitz's Fish Ponds, and we just put our first pumps in the pond for cleanouts. Stayed in here is a natural pond we rebuilt 2 years ago. As you see, amazing waterfall, a huge pond, like 100,000 gallons. We'd like to get this cleanout done as early as we can in the season. I mean, just look at the size of it. It is enormous. We're gonna have 8 guys here tomorrow. There's a 300-foot long stream. We're gonna drain the whole thing down, power wash it. So really, it's an amazing way to kick off our cleanout season, getting all the guys right into shape. And if they're not gonna make it to this cleanout, they're not gonna make it to any of the other cleanouts. So I'm excited to take you along for the day. And just look at this beautiful water feature we built. We'll show you some more pictures.